Hello and welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. Today we have a new series that I'm going to be doing of Loungefly backpacks. They're Disney Princess Sequin backpacks, and if you know me, you know I love sequins and I love the sequin Loungeflies and I love princesses. So I'm going to show you the first 3 that we have and I'll tell you which one I like the best. Before I show you, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, like this video, and follow us on our social medias. So here comes the first one. Whoa, that's just like magic. As you can tell, this is Cinderella, and this is actually one of my favorite ones because it does kind of remind me of the Aqua Arendelle, and that's my favorite backpack. I don't have that one yet, but this is just as pretty. So as you can tell, the sequins look like Cinderella's dress that she wears. You have the clock on the bow right there. Turn it around. It has some writing on the back and it says bippity boppity boo. And then right here on the front we have the glass slipper, the iconic Cinderella glass slipper. This is one of my favorite ones. Oh, and the best part, the lining. It just is like Cinderella's pumpkin carriage and the castle. Nothing too crazy, but simple lining. And this is the Cinderella Sequin Loungefly backpack. And incoming we have the second Princess Sequin backpack. Whoa, just like magic again. If you can tell, it's my favorite princess. It's an Ariel Sequin Loungefly. This is another one of my favorites. This looks just like Ariel. Her seashell top, purple, and right in here in the bow you got Flounder there. He looks so cute, and the bow is a shell as well. Then right down here you have her fins, her green fin, and the pockets do have like a scale pattern on it. A little bit, yeah, in the front too. The back, it says, under the sea, under the sea. And the cutest part, the zipper, it's a dingle hopper. And what's nice about having a dingle hopper on your pocket, if you need to brush your hair, you got it right there as your zipper. But for the most important part, the lining, of course. And you just got Ariel's fins and under the sea. It's purple. Nothing crazy, but simple. And this is the Ariel Sequin Loungefly. And we have one more backpack left out of this part of our series. Sleeping Beauty! Aurora is one of my favorite princesses. And it does actually kind of match my hair right now because I do have pink in my hair. So here's the Sleeping Beauty Sequin Loungefly. This is another one of my favorites. I love them all so far out of the ones that we have. So as you can tell, it does look like her pink dress that she wears. Right here, we just have her iconic crown that she wears right there on a pink bow. Right here on the front pocket for the zipper, it is the spinning wheel where she pricks her finger and falls asleep for true love's kiss. So I do really like the hot pink colors. This is really one of my favorites. And then here on the back it says, once upon a dream. The most important part, the lining. It's kind of hard to see, but it's just like, it's hard to see, but it is just the castle and like roses. Nothing too crazy like the other ones. As I said, this is another one of my favorites, so I'm gonna show you guys all 3 of them together. I'm gonna tell you in order which ones I like the best, and then comment below too, and let me know which one was your favorite or which ones are your favorite in order of 3. So along with Sleeping Beauty, we have Cinderella, and we have Ariel. So out of the 3 of them, I would probably say, this is so hard because I love them all, My number one, I'm gonna have to go with Cinderella because blue is my favorite color and it's very close to the Aqua Arendelle as I was talking about. Second, I'll go with Ariel because she is my favorite. And then third, I'll go with Sleeping Beauty. So let me know which ones you guys like the best out of these three, and or just which one you like the best out of them, or if you don't like them, but they're pretty hard not to like. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give us a like, comment whatever your heart desires. Don't forget to subscribe as always, and thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!